Escalating fuel costs have become one of the most vital issues of this generation. As the industrialized world grows larger and demands more energy, the supply of vital crude oil is rapidly diminishing. Conventional sources of oil are being depleted and production can't keep up, straining global economics and the cost of living for everyday consumers. To increase liquid fuel supplies, we must develop alternative fuel resources to protect our quality of life and provide a safe and secure future for our children. The world's best and largest new source of quality fuels can be extracted from oil shale. Oil shale is sedimentary rock containing Kerogen oil, which, when refined, can produce some of the highest quality jet fuel, diesel, and gasoline products in the world. Vast amounts of oil shale resources are located across the globe. The world's largest deposit of oil shale can be found in the Green River Formation located in Utah, Colorado, and Wyoming. Utah-based Red Leaf Resources has acquired over 17,000 acres of accessible surface oil shale lands, which can be developed using their proprietary EcoShell in-capsule extraction process. By combining EcoShell's technology with the vast oil shale reserves in Utah, large quantities of liquid fuels can contribute to U.S. energy needs for more than 100 years. Through EcoShell's groundbreaking innovation, high-quality fuels can be produced economically and environmentally from oil shale. Through EcoShell's proprietary process, shale is heated and Kerogen oil is recovered and sent downstream for further processing. The Kerogen can then be upgraded and refined into premium products, including newly mandated ultra-low sulfur diesel, a cleaner fuel which reduces air pollution, increases gas mileage, and leaves behind a smaller, more sustainable environmental footprint. Using EcoShell's technology, projects delivering substantial benefits will be developed which increase fuel production, advance job creation, and provide the right balance between both energy and environment. The first step in the EcoShell recovery and reclamation process is the surface mining of the shale. As mining commences, we are simultaneously creating the quarry in which we will roast the shale and extract the oil. Once the capsule site is mined, protective layers are added to ensure that all liquids, gases, and heat are contained in the capsule during the roasting process, creating a secure treatment zone. These protective layers not only increase our efficiency by containing the heat, they also protect the environment by protecting nearby aquifers. With protective liners in place, slotted collection pipes are placed at the floor of the capsule for the collection of the oil, which drains to the bottom of the capsule during the roasting process. With the liners and collection pipes in place, the first layer of shale is returned to the capsule. The shale is placed in the capsule using a high-volume conveyance system designed to be mobile for use in each subsequent capsule in the project. With the first layer of shale in place, the capsule is ready for the first series of heating pipes. The heating pipes are placed horizontally in the capsule at optimal spacing with the pipe ends exiting the head wall of the capsule. These two previous steps are repeated until the final layer of shale is placed at the top of the capsule. A layer of perforated recovery pipes is placed above the shale to collect the gases and vapors released during the roasting process. Through a condensation process, these vapors are returned to a liquid state and represent a significant proportion of the oil recovered through the EcoShell process. With the collection pipes, heating pipes, and oil shale in place, the capsule is ready to be capped with the same impermeable liner that surrounds the rest of the capsule. Following the sealing of the capsule with the top protective layer, topsoil is replaced and the landscape is reclaimed through seeding and planting. Once the capsule is prepared and the surface reclaimed, the roasting pipes are connected to the EcoShell roasting system. Once pressure, safety, and control checks have been performed, natural gas is sent to the mobile roasters and heat is introduced into the heating pipes. This roasting process does not require the use of water, which reduces costs and assists in the conservation of precious water resources. Digital control systems are monitored throughout the extraction phase to ensure precise heating temperatures and convection. As the temperature inside the capsule increases, the shell releases its liquid and vapor content. Liquids are drained by the slotted collection pipes below, and the gases and vapors are collected through the extraction pipes above. Liquids are pumped to nearby tanks where they await transport. Upon recovery of vapors, some are condensed into liquids and placed in tanks to await transport, and any non-condensable vapors are retained as natural gas, either for sale on the market or for use in the roasting of subsequent capsules. Upon reaching the maximum recovery of oil from the capsule, the roasters are shut off and cooler outside air is blown into the pipes. As the cooler air is circulated, a portion of the remaining heat can be transferred to the adjacent capsule as a preheating source. After heat is recovered from the capsule, the EcoShell roasting system is disconnected from the heating pipes and moved to the adjacent capsule. The pipes are recovered and the depleted shell remains safely behind, encapsulated and environmentally sequestered by the impermeable liner, which will continue to protect groundwater, wildlife, and ecosystems for years to come. Following transport and a hydro-treating step at an upgrading facility, the recovered oil can be sold at attractive prices and delivered as a premium feedstock to be refined into jet fuel, diesel, and gasoline products. As an industry-making technology, the EcoShell in-capsule process combines the strength of big mining with the massive global oil industry, delivering not only high-quality liquid fuels, but also jobs, community development, and shareholder value.